In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add people to a Trello workspace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and a few best practices to keep everything organized and secure. Start by opening your browser and heading to Trello.com. Make sure you're signed into the account that owns or manages the workspace you want to update. Trello organizes boards under workspaces, so inviting people to the right workspace ensures they can collaborate where you need them. From the Trello home screen, look for the boards view. Depending on your layout, you'll see a boards option in the sidebar or along the top navigation. Click it to see your boards grouped by workspace. This view helps you confirm you're working in the correct place, especially if you're part of multiple teams or organizations. Next, select the workspace you want to manage and click to open it. You'll land on the workspace home, which summarizes members, boards, and settings. This is the hub for managing who has access. Find the members area. In most layouts, you'll see a members section near the top, or in a dedicated tab, click the plus icon or the invite button within that section. This is where you add people to the workspace itself, not just to a single board. If you don't see the option to invite, you may not have admin permissions in that workspace, so you'll need an admin to send the invites. In the invite field, type the person's email address or their name if they already use Trello and appear in your organization's directory. Take a moment to double check the spelling. A small typo can send an invite to the wrong person or cause it to bounce. If you're inviting several people, you can usually enter multiple addresses separated by commas. Trello may also suggest teammates you've collaborated with before, which can speed things up. When you're ready, click Send Invite. Trello will email the person a workspace invitation, and if they already use Trello, they'll also get an in-app notification. You'll typically see them listed as pending until they accept. Once they join, they become members of the workspace and can be added to specific boards within that workspace as needed. Keep in mind that membership may affect your plan's seat count, and some plans allow you to set roles like admin or member during the invite. That's it. You've gone to Trello, opened boards, selected your workspace, used the members section to add people, typed their details, and sent the invite. Happy collaborating.